basically it was like the middle of midterm week for me. It was like up all night studying. I had like 3 tests the next day, and I decided like, what a better time to do my laundry. So I put my laundry in, and I kind of left it there for a little bit because I was, I was studying, like trying to take all these tests the next day. I go back to pick up my laundry a couple hours later, and all of it had been taken. There was like a trail of it on the floor, so it seemed like someone had just ran in, opened the door, grabbed it all out of the dryer, and taken it. I filed the claim like maybe a week later. I kind of like forgot I even had the insurance. Then I remembered, and I was like, oh yeah, maybe we could get some money out of that. But I'd kind of like come up with the thought like, hey, maybe it would also work for stolen laundry, and it worked out great. Everything went pretty smoothly for me.